Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful yet often overlooked tools in a video creator's arsenal: pacing. Have you ever watched a video that just felt off? Maybe it was too slow and you got bored, or it was so fast you couldn't keep up. Chances are the pacing wasn't matched to the mood. Pacing is the rhythm of your video. It's the speed at which you present information, the length of your shots, and the frequency of your cuts. It's the heartbeat of your story, and getting it right is crucial for keeping your audience engaged. Think of it like a conversation. You wouldn't whisper a thrilling ghost story or shout a calm, reflective thought, right? The same principle applies to video. The pace of your edit should mirror the emotional journey you want your viewers to experience. Let's break it down with some examples. Imagine you're creating a high-energy, exciting travel vlog about exploring a bustling city market. What kind of pacing would you use? You'd want quick cuts, dynamic shots, and fast-paced music. Lots of short clips showing vibrant colors, bustling crowds, and quick interactions. This rapid pace creates a sense of energy, excitement, and immersion. It makes the viewer feel like they're right there with you, caught up in the whirlwind of activity. The fast cuts keep their eyes moving and their brains engaged, preventing any moment of boredom. Now, let's flip the script. What if you're filming a serene, meditative nature video of a sunrise over a calm lake? Using quick cuts here would feel jarring and completely out of place. It would shatter the tranquility you're trying to build. Instead, you'd use long, slow, deliberate shots. Let the camera linger on the gentle ripples in the water, the slow ascent of the sun, the soft colors painting the sky. You might use slow motion or long, graceful pans. The editing would be minimal, with slow dissolves or straight cuts that don't draw attention to themselves. This slower pace invites the viewer to relax, breathe, and soak in the beauty of the moment. It creates a mood of peace, wonder, and contemplation. Pacing is also vital for building suspense and drama. Think about your favorite thriller or mystery movie. The editor doesn't just show you everything at once. They use a combination of long, tense shots where you're waiting for something to happen, contrasted with a sudden flurry of quick cuts during an action sequence. This variation in pace is what puts you on the edge of your seat. A long shot of a dark hallway builds tension. We hold our breath. Then a sudden sound, followed by a rapid sequence of cuts. A face, a hand, a shadow. It's overwhelming and shocking. That's the power of manipulating pace to control the audience's emotional response. So, how do you put this into practice? Before you even start editing, ask yourself, what is the core emotion of this scene? What do I want my audience to feel? Is it excitement, sadness, curiosity, calmness? Once you've identified the mood, choose your editing techniques accordingly. For high energy, use jump cuts, short shot durations, and punchy transitions. For a calmer, more emotional feel, use longer takes, slow motion, and gentle fades. Don't be afraid to vary the pace within a single video. A great video often takes the viewer on a journey, with peaks of excitement and valleys of reflection. Mastering pacing is what separates good editors from great ones. It's an intuitive skill that you develop over time by watching films, analyzing your own work, and most importantly, practicing. So next time you're in the editing suite, don't just think about what you're showing, think about how you're showing it. Pay attention to the rhythm, the flow, the heartbeat of your story. Match your pacing to the mood, and you'll create videos that don't just inform, but truly resonate with your audience on an emotional level. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this helps you level up your editing game. If you found this useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content creation tips. Let me know in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next. Until then, keep creating.